Find the fifth root of the number 59,049. The fifth root of this number is simply refers to that number a such that we will multiply that number a by itself 5 times. That means a times a times a times a times a. The answer will be equal to 59,049. We have to look for this number a. For us to find the fifth root of this number, we are going to make use of the tabular method. We take down solution. Making use of the tabular method, the first column carries the prime factors, while the second column carries the results after performing the division. Write down the given number, which is 59,049. First, we need a prime factor of the number 59,049. It is good to make use of the smallest prime factor. You will see that if we sum the digits of this number, if we take 5 plus 9, it gives us 14, plus 0, it remains 14, plus 4, it gives us 18, plus 9, it gives us 27. And 27 is a multiple of 3. That means this number is divisible by 3. And 3 is simply the smallest prime factor of this number. Now we are going to proceed with the division. We are going to divide 59,049 by 3. This gives us 19,683. The number 19,683 is still a multiple of 3. That means you can divide this number by 3, bring down 3. We divide the number 19,683 by 3. This gives us 6,561. The number 6,561 is still a multiple of 3. We are going to bring down 3. We divide the number 6,561 by 3. It gives us 2,187. 2,187 is still a multiple of 3. We are going to bring down 3. We divide 2,187 by 3. This will give us 729. The number 729 is still a multiple of 3. We are going to divide 729 by 3. This gives us 243, which is a multiple of 3. We are going to bring down 3. We divide 243 by 3. This gives us 81. We are going to bring down 3. 81 is a multiple of 3. 81 divided by 3 gives us 27, which is a multiple of 3. Bring down 3. We divide 27 by 3. This will give us 9, which is a multiple of 3. We are going to bring down 3. We divide 9 by 3. It gives us 3. We divide 3 by 3, which gives us 1. When we reach 1, that means the division has ended. Since we are looking for the fifth root of the number 59,049, what we are going to do is we are going to group these 3's in 5's. Let's perform the grouping. The first group, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first group. This is the first group. Then we count the second group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. you'll see that we have two groups of trees which are each containing 5 members. From each group of the trees, we are going to extract the prime factor which is common, that is 3. Here we extract 3. In the second group, we extract 3. For us to get the fifth root of this number, we are simply going to multiply the trees which have been extracted from the two groups. We are going to take 3 times 3. This will give us, take 3 times 3, which is simply equal to 9. Therefore, the fifth root of the number 59,049 is simply equal to 9. We underline the answer. If you take 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 5 times, it will be equal to 59,049. This is how we find the fifth root of a given number by making use of the tabular method. If in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.